Okay, so today we're gonna make hallacas. This looks like Play-Doh. Okay, and first we're gonna add this like type of sauce. We're gonna add a lot to make it juicy. Okay, right here. And then we're gonna add this ball right here. We're gonna add in the middle, and then we're gonna smash it like that. Then we're gonna make it like a round ball. Not like round, but like just smash it until like it's big. Yeah, right here. Still gotta smash it. So when it's like the right size, we start to add the toppings. Okay, so right now we're gonna add the carne We're gonna add this thing right here. Okay. Right here. It looks like a round ball, and then we're gonna add some this capers. Gonna add a little bit, and then we're gonna add fat onions from In and Out, red pepper from In and Out, and pickles,
raisins,
olives,
and a piece of chicken.
From Cane's. Okay, okay, so here we have my tamales and hallacas. Okay, and we're gonna like close the leaf thing, like really fast, and then like this. This thing, yeah. So we're wrapping it around like as much as we can. We're gonna put this right here, right there.
It's open.
And then we're gonna add this part right here. Yeah.
I know another one.
Okay. And then we're gonna get other one, but here it is so far. We're gonna put it right here. There, and we're gonna wrap this one too. Yep. And we're gonna do the same thing again. Wrap this one right here. Wrap this one right here.
But not too much.
Not too much, yeah. Okay. Okay, and here's it. Now we just gotta wrap it with this thing, like all the ones here. And yeah.
I do it then.
Okay. So the chef is gonna do it. Okay, so that's all. Do not post it.
Bellissima!
Wait.
Los grandes también.
Wait, now it's Abuela's turn. She needs